Look around your room. Your phone charger, your earphones, your water bottle, that small gadget you bought online because it was too cheap to ignore. Have you ever wondered, where did these things actually come from? When we shop online, we think we are choosing between thousands of different companies, different names, different logos, different stories. But sometimes, behind all those choices, there is a story most customers never see, because sometimes products that look like competitors may have started in the same place. Let's take one simple product, a phone charger. You bought it online, maybe from Amazon, maybe from Temu, maybe from another shopping app. But that's not where its story started. To understand where it really came from, we have to travel backwards, past the website, past the brand, all the way to the place where it was made. And for many electronics and everyday products, that journey leads to a city many people have never heard of, Shenzhen, China. Just a few decades ago, this was a small fishing town. Today, it has become one of the world's most important manufacturing cities. But the secret of Shenzhen is not that one factory makes everything. It's something much more interesting. Imagine needing to build a new gadget. You need a battery. Someone nearby makes it. You need a screen. Another company makes it. You need packaging. Another supplier handles it. Thousands of companies work together like pieces of one giant machine. Millions of items sit in dark warehouses right now with zero logos on them. Blank headphones, blank watches. In 2 seconds, a machine prints a logo on top, and a $2 piece of plastic becomes a $70 luxury brand. That trendy product on your social feed costs $1.50 to make. Shipping costs $2. But with fancy ads and a slick website, they sell it to you for $60. You aren't paying for quality. You're paying for the ad. How do hundreds of brands launch every month? Nobody is inventing anything new. Factories build one design, and 50 companies slap their label on top. Different names, identical inside. A teenager on a laptop clicks a button. A machine across the world prints the logo, packs the box, and ships it straight to your door. The seller never even touches the product. Next time you order something premium online, ask yourself, did you buy a great product, or did you just buy a great sticker?